Okay, I wanted to do this video since long time, and here we are with the different colors of jeans you should be having in your wardrobe. Not necessarily that you should be having each and every color, but what are the colors you should consider, and what's better than a Zara haul for this one. I'm not gonna touch base with the black and blues. I'll keep them for the last. Of course, they are the staples, and I assume that you must be already having them in your wardrobe. Let us get started with the jeans number one in terms of the colors. It's a tan brown colors jeans. Yes, in 2022, brown color is something which is trending, which is actually a neutral. That's a good thing. So this is a tan brown color straight fit jeans from Zara that is priced at 3,000 rupees. But if you guys don't know, not necessarily that you have to spend 3,000 on this jeans, but by the time of July 2022, Zara products will be on sale, and you might find this particular jeans at a price point of 1,500 or maybe even less. So for this price point, it's definitely a worth. So what exactly I liked in this jeans? Yes, it's the color, and that's the focus for this period. But that's not everything. Here it's a straight fit jeans, and you do get button layout rather than the zipper here at the front side. When it comes to the rise of these jeans, it's actually a mid-rise jeans, but it fits a little bit above the mid-waist. Certainly fine. I am more than happy with that. I don't prefer low-rise jeans, but mid-rise anytime, above mid-rise always. You can never go wrong with this color, as it's a neutral color. You can easily mix with the other neutrals and also with the other brighter shades as well. You can mix with the earth tones, you can mix with the whiter shades, blacks, blues. It can go literally well with any of the topper you must be having in your wardrobe. As we are in the territory of the browns, let's get the other brown also done in this video. And moving on to the second color of the jeans you should be having in 2022, it would be the darker version of the brown. The black is something that eats up into the color and that gives a nice contrast to it. Whereas the brown, even though if it is the darker shade, it gives that extra pop to the overall outfit. That gives that vibe. Just like the previous option, it is a straight fit from Zara. Straight fit is something which is there to stay. Means right now we are not into skinny fit territory, even though I love skinny fit. We are more into the regular relaxed fits, but straight or slimmer cuts are something which are there to stay at least for next 4 to 5 years. May not be the relaxed, may not be the loose, or may not be the oversized, but these are for sure, and that too in this classic neutral color combinations. If you pair with a brown shirt or the white shirt, particularly with the tan brown options or the beige color options with this darkish brown, means with this one which I am wearing, it's gonna look really, really great. Moving on to the next color you should be having from Zara or from any other brand to that matter is a white color jeans. White color jeans is something which is super versatile, guys. Literally, you can wear that during any time throughout the year. Not necessarily that you have to give that pastel color kind of a vibe with the top edge only during the summer seasons. And for that, Zara white jeans at a basic price points. They do have the straight cuts, they do have the slimmer cuts. The one which I have is the slim fit 90s. They don't have the exact similar version right now in the slim fit 90s. Means the slim fit 90s are existing, but not exactly in the white color. I will make sure that there is a link down in the description below. I do have a ripped one as well. I do have a normal slim fit 90s as well when it comes to the white jeans. But white jeans is something you need to take care of. But if you know how to take care of the white jeans, you will get the most value for what exactly you pay. And this is an absolute wardrobe must have. In case if you have only 3 or 4 options to pick among the jeans, after your black and blue, white should be the first, and then you can go with the other colors I'm showing in this video. As we are done with the 3 colors, the next color or next 2 colors I can say, one would be the sage green or this turquoise green, and the other would be the off-white or a beige color. This particular slim fit version from Zara, they do have in 2 colorways, one in the beige color, one in this turquoise or sage green color. These are the slimmer fit options, but they fit more like a skinny fit. I have gone with the size 32 for all the straight fits which you have seen in this video. I have gone with size 31, which equals to Zara U40, whereas this equals to U42, which equals to normal waist of 32. And this particular one, you guys have asked me a lot in terms of the links in my previous videos. I got this almost 3 months back. They are still in stock. I will make sure that there are links in the description below, and the off-white version as well. Here you guys can see I mixed with the tan brown color. This is also one of my favorite. The off-white and the beige color, and also this turquoise green color. When I was ordering this one, I thought that maybe the use case will be limited, but in my videos itself you guys can see how many number of times I used with how many number of outfits. It goes well with the orange color, it goes well with the brown, it goes well with white, blacks, everything. It goes well, and the fit is also great. And just the beige color, with it, like the tan brown, it's a neutral color, and no need to even mention about that. As we are covered with the different colors, why not get started with the classic must-have colors. These are light wash slim fit 90s blue jeans from Zara that is priced at 2,490 rupees. This slim fit 90s from Zara, why I love them the most. because they are a nice balance between the slim as well as the straight cut. This starts with a slim fit and then straightens when it comes to the ankle. So overall you get the benefits of both worlds, slim as well as straight cut, and slim and straight fits are something you need to invest at this point of time till next 2 to 3 years. This lighter shade with the darker colors with the pastel colors during the summer seasons in particular, it goes well. The next jeans, the absolute must have, is a dark blue jeans in this particular color. Means with the light coming on, it's looking a little bit lighter on camera, but here it's a darker version of the jeans and it goes well with majority of the colors. This is the blue color of the jeans which you need to invest in case if you want to get most value from your jeans. So it's a carrot fit jeans from Zara that is also priced at 3,000 rupees. It fits well. I do have some slight extra room, and also in terms of the overall length for this carrot fit options, Zara do have some sort of an ankle kind of a jeans. If I am you, this will be my second jeans, and the very first jeans I would invest, of course, is a black jeans, and this is a black skinny fit jeans from Zara. Yes, I love skinny fits, and for black jeans which I use the most, I make sure that I went with the skinny fit options, and this is a 3,000 rupees version from Zara. They do have the basic skinny fit at 2,500 rupees as well. It will not be discounted during the sale time, and it fits absolutely well. Just like with any other black jeans, they do pick lint like crazy, and for some reason they do wrinkle a lot, maybe because of the elastin composition or much more elastin composition when it is compared to the straight cut or the slim fit options from Zara. Overall, if you're looking to build your jeans collection in terms of the colors, this should be your first color, and the dark blue should be your second, and white should be your third, and then you can experiment with the rest colors and then go with the lighter wash of the jeans or the lighter blue of the jeans. Even though I love lighter blue jeans, I do have many of them, but still I would suggest this particular order. So these are the 8 colors of jeans that you should consider buying. I mean the wearable options, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Zara haul of jeans, and there will be a jeans haul as well, dedicated jeans haul on the blue jeans, which is the best options available among the different brands. Stay tuned for that video, and all of these options will be on sale on July 2022 in case if you are seeing that video during that season. Bingo! If not, by the time you are watching this video in August or September, those products must be out of stock, but Zara do have the habit of releasing them again and again. The slim fit 90s, the skinny fit, these are the basic options, right? Not exactly in terms of the colored options. That is it from me. See you next time.